Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of this month, that is March 2018 Vanitycask box. So without further delay, let's start doing the unboxing. This is how the box looks. It's their usual black packaging with this design. So once you open the box, this is what you get. This is where the product description has been given, this brochure, and this is the pouch where the products are there inside. So this month's box is called the Spring Fling edition, as because it's March and it's the advent of spring. So let's see what's there inside the box and what they have to say about the box. So the curation story goes as a team, we are always pushing ourselves to make sure we help you discover products that allow you to care for yourself in the best way you could. This spring, enjoy the weather and let Vanitycask specialists guide you with the best skincare, hair care and beauty products. With our Spring Fling edition, we are bringing to you just what you need to protect your skin and hair during this time. So, as they have mentioned, it's specially curated for the spring season, and let's see what's inside the box. The first product is the Sova, Brahmi and Hibiscus massage hair oil. This is how the product looks. Let me tell you about the products. What they have to say about the product is this oil treatment is soaked with the goodness of 16 time-tested cold-pressed oils of roots, seeds and stems to calm your nerves and strengthen the roots of your hair. This sounds very tempting to me. I am looking out for products that are good for hair, especially my kind of hair, which is dry, frizzy and very thin and prone to hair fall. This is a bottle which is 30 ml in quantity. There is an offer for if you're buying anything from Sova. So exclusively for Vanitycask subscribers, use code VOUSXSOVA10 for a 10% discount on the Sova ritual at Wow Salon Mumbai. This is valid till March 31st, 2018. So this is the second product, and it's the Bliscent Daily Cleanser with Hibiscus and what's this? Adzuki beans. I'm not sure what are Adzuki beans. Let me read about the product. Shine bright like a diamond with this daily cleanser. So it's a daily cleanser and it's a powder cleanser. It's in a powder form. Natural saponin found in oats, Adzuki beans and hibiscus will gently exfoliate your delicate skin. Hibiscus is a natural source of alpha hydroxy acids and rich in antioxidants. AHAs encourage fresher, younger and smoother looking skin, giving you natural Botox. Wow. Bentonite clay will draw out toxins and reduce the size of open pores. That's very interesting. This product is 15 grams and there is an offer actually going on with Bliscent. Exclusive for Vanitycask subscribers. You have to use the code BliscentXVanity for a 15% discount on your entire order on www.bliscent.com, and the code is valid till March 31st, that is the end of the month. The third thing that I have received are these masks, and these are the Mondsub Skin Beauty Collagen Forehead and Nose Masks. Exclusive for Vanitycask subscribers, use code FEB50 for a 50% discount on your entire order on mondsub.in. 50% flat discount. I think they had given another discount last month as well, if I'm not wrong. And these offers are really cool that Vanitycask has been giving, and 50% flat discount is a big thing you hardly get so much of discount. So I think one should grab this discount, and you have to use this code before March 31st. So all the codes, all the offers are there till March 31st, that is end of this month. Now the next product is this one, and this is the Votre 3-in-1 cleanser. So another cleanser in the box. I'm not sure why they have given 2 cleansers in the same month. So let me see what they have to mention about the cleanser. It's a 30 grams bottle. Cleanse and rejuvenate your skin with Votre's 3-in-1 cream cleanser. It removes dirt, impurities, makeup and excess oil effectively. It provides deep cleansing and toning. It moisturizes your skin and keeps it hydrated. It cleanses your skin, making it soft and supple. It improves your skin texture and brings a natural glow. Okay, so that's a lot of things they have to say about this small cleanser, and I'm looking forward to using it. They say that it can remove makeup as well, which is very interesting. The other cleanser they have given is in a powder form, and obviously it won't be able to remove makeup. So I think I will be using it as a makeup remover, and the second step will be in the form of a powder cleanser, because recently I've been following the double cleansing method, which is great for skin. After I have started using this method, I have seen less of breakouts and less of pigmentation and blemishes on my skin. So anyway, but still I don't understand the inclusion of 2 cleansers in a single box. Anyway, now the last but obviously not the least is the next product, and it's the MyGlamm 2 of your kind gel finish long lasting nail enamel duo. This is the one. So they have repeated once again the MyGlamm 2 of your kind gel finish nail polish. Again, I'm not sure why they have done it. Okay, I was really excited about getting it in my last month's box, but again including it inside the box this month also, I don't think it's a very good idea. They could have given another makeup. If they would have wanted to give from MyGlamm also, they would have given something else, maybe their crayon lipstick, or they have a lot of products they have come up with, so anything would have done, but not this one. This is a repetition, and you won't like repetition if you're subscribing a box for a long time. I don't think we'll appreciate repetitions, because we are subscribing the box because we want to test different kind of products. So I don't think this makes much sense. So anyway, I'll be showing you the colors, the shade that I have got. This shade is Cherry Blossom. Yeah, I know this shade. This is a pretty shade actually. Okay, so I have removed. Yeah, these are the shades. These are really pretty, actually apt for spring, and yeah, I like the shade. I won't lie, I like the shade. I think in total I have collected 3 of these gel nail duos from MyGlamm, and these are very good in quality as well, and color payoff. They stay for such a long time. I work in the kitchen and on a daily basis, still it stays fine. These are the things that I have received in the March 2018 Vanitycask box, and as I said, I am a little bit disappointed of repetition of products, simply because things have been repeated. That's why I'm a little bit disappointed, because there are 2 cleansers which was not necessary. They could have included a toner or a moisturizer or anything else, a face pack or anything else. And again, last month also they have given the same MyGlamm nail paint duo, and this month also they have repeated the same thing. So these are the 2 points of disappointment for me. Other than that, I think if you're buying the box for the first time, I think the products are really good, especially the nail polish. So yes, this was all about it. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.